Did you know that trillions of dollars are hidden in secretive offshore accounts around the world? From tropical islands to major financial hubs, tax havens help billionaires, corporations, and even criminals avoid taxes. But where are these tax havens? And how do they work? Let's expose the world's biggest tax havens. Segment 1. What is a tax haven? A tax haven is a place where companies and wealthy individuals can store their money with little or no tax. These locations offer low or zero taxes. Some countries charge 0% corporate tax, strict banking secrecy, authorities can't access financial records, easy company registration. Businesses can set up without revealing owners. These havens attract billionaires, multinational corporations, and even criminals looking to hide or protect their wealth. Segment 2. The top tax havens in the world. Now let's look at the most famous tax havens in the world. 1. Cayman Islands, the king of offshore. Finance, no corporate or income tax. A favorite for hedge funds. Holds over $1.5 trillion in banking assets, used by corporations like Google and Goldman Sachs. 2. Switzerland. The Billionaires vault famous for secretive banking laws. Wealthy clients store billions in Swiss banks. Even dictators and criminals have hidden money here. 3. Luxembourg. Europe's hidden money hub, low corporate taxes and anonymous accounts. Used by Amazon, McDonald's, and major firms. 80% of its economy is based on banking and finance. 4. The Bahamas, a tropical tax. Shelter, no capital gains or inheritance tax, used by politicians and business elites to store wealth, involved in the Panama Papers tax scandal. 5. Panama, the offshore secrecy capital home to thousands of shell companies. Infamous for the Panama Papers leak, 2016, used by criminals and corporations alike. 6. Singapore. Asia's tax haven, low corporate tax and banking secrecy laws, a hotspot for Chinese billionaires and tech firms, home to over 200,000 offshore companies. 7. The United States, a surprising tax haven, Delaware, and Nevada allow anonymous corporations. The U.S. doesn't share banking data with other countries, used by foreign billionaires and companies to hide money. From small islands to major economies, tax havens exist everywhere. Segment 3. How do tax havens work? Tax havens use legal loopholes to help corporations and billionaires reduce or avoid paying taxes. Here's how. Offshore banking, setting up secret accounts to hide money. Shell companies. Fake businesses created only to move money. Profit shifting. Companies report profits in low-tax countries. Residency loopholes. Billionaires change citizenship to avoid taxes. This allows the world's richest people to legally avoid billions in taxes. Segment 4. Who uses tax havens? Who actually benefits from tax havens? Multinational. Corporations, Apple, Google, Amazon, all shift profits offshore. Billionaires and celebrities, wealthy elites store money to reduce taxes. Politicians and dictators, many world leaders have hidden assets in tax havens. Drug cartels and criminals, offshore banks help launder dirty money. Example, the Panama Papers leak exposed how the world's richest people hide money in offshore accounts. Segment 5. Are tax havens legal? Should they be banned? Using. Tax havens is technically legal, but is it ethical? Arguments in favor. Businesses say, we follow the law and maximize profits. Billionaires argue, we protect our wealth from high taxes. Arguments against. Governments lose billions in tax revenue every year. Regular taxpayers pay higher taxes to cover the gap. It helps criminals launder money and avoid accountability. The big question, should tax havens be banned, or are they just smart business? Segment 6. Are governments cracking down on tax havens? Governments are trying to fight back, but can they stop tax havens? The global 15% minimum corporate tax, over 130 countries agreed to stop tax avoidance. New transparency laws. Some tax havens are now sharing financial data. Crackdowns on shell companies. More regulations on offshore accounts. But despite new rules, tax havens still hold trillions of dollars in hidden wealth. What do you think? Should tax havens be banned, or are they just smart financial? Planning? Let's discuss in the comments. And if you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into global finance. See you in the next video.